Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Noelle and today we are going to talk about online shopping. In the past few years, I've done a lot of my shopping online on so many different platforms. I've even gone to websites of my favorite sports brands and bought from them directly online. And the one thing that I think has been most convenient about it is that I can use my credit card to make payments. But I realized that a lot of Filipinos don't actually have credit cards. Now with the advent of cash on delivery services, this has not been such a problem these days, but there are still a number of services that don't use cash on delivery. And also it's kind of a hassle because you have to wait for the product to be delivered and then that's the only time you can pay. Sometimes the delivery guys don't have the exact change to give you if you've got a big bill. So last week, GCash and Lazada threw a party because they're coming together. And now you can use GCash on Lazada, which is the country's largest online shopping platform. Now GCash it's kind of like a wallet, an e-cash wallet tied to your phone number. And while in the past years GCash used to be available to Globe Telecom subscribers, now it's available to anyone who has a cell phone. And I can tell you that mobile penetration in the Philippines, it's so widespread. It's even more widespread than television. So a lot of people watch TV on their phones these days. Anyway, I'm digressing, but yeah, so GCash is now available to anybody who's got a mobile phone number. Now, you can use GCash while shopping on Lazada. What this means is that for people who didn't used to have ways to pay for things online, now have a way to pay for things online. Right after the event ended, I went home and I put several things into my shopping cart because I'd been meaning to buy these things anyway. And so, but instead of selecting cash on delivery, which is my usual preferred mode of payment, or using my credit card or PayPal, instead I selected GCash. I'm gonna show you what this process looked like, so watch this. Okay, so we are going to get this. I need a makeup setting spray, so I am just going to add it to my cart. And then we're going to go to the cart, and you can see that this needs a standard delivery charge of 50 pesos. So my total is 149 pesos. I don't have a voucher code, so I can't enter anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and check out. I'm going to use my GCash to pay for this order. Normally, if you're just setting up your GCash, it'll ask you to add the account, authorize everything. It'll text you a verification number, but since I already linked my GCash, it went through straight away. So that's all. So I ordered the Hello Gorgeous Makeup Fixative, I think. And yeah, so I already got it out of the packaging. So it's so well packed. Thank you, Hello Gorgeous. I can't even open it on camera, so I'm just gonna do that off camera and then I can show the product to you. Okay, I'm back and here is the product. So that is the setting spray. I'm just gonna shake it up and spray it on. And hopefully that keeps the makeup on my face from melting off as it always does in this hot weather. Now, if you haven't gotten a GCash account yet, don't worry. There are several tutorials available online so that you can set it up for yourself and go through the initial verification process. But after that, you know what? It's just so easy to pay with GCash. In fact, I might say it's too easy. So you need to put the brakes on yourself before you get to that checkout page, because once you're on the checkout page and you click Pay Now, you'll have paid for something. Well, there are a whole range of products on Lazada's website and platform that are geared towards the sports and active lifestyle minded people. such as Adidas's or official store, and a few other lines also have their official stores on Lazada now. And you can also find like activewear garments that are unbranded but are great. So if you're looking for a new outfit to run in or go to the gym in, you can go to Lazada, you can scroll through, you can add things to your cart, and then you can pay for these items using GCash. Hopefully this video helps you understand what the new service is about and maybe try to explore it for yourself as well. If you still prefer to use cash on delivery or credit card, it's up to you, but at least now you know there's another payment option on Lazada, and that's with GCash. Okay guys, if you found this video interesting and informative, please give me a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, please leave it in the comments box below, or you can get in touch with me on social media. I'm always online. And I will see you again next time. Bye!